Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Besam part number 50-20-6402 thin pile replacement black felt. This is weather stripping is what it is. This client ordered 28 feet of the material. That's what we have here for this client. Going to pull back some of this tape so we can take some dimensional properties of this replacement pile weather stripping. And when it comes to pile type weather stripping, the most important aspect really are the dimensional properties of what you're replacing. So what I'm trying to say is the width of the rigid plastic backer and then the projection is the important part of all of this. Okay, this is going to feature a fin. There may be two pieces. Apparently just one. A plastic, or maybe it's a vinyl strip inside of here. That is exceptional because it will help the pile in terms of its longevity, help it stand proud through its life service. It will help it also as a water barrier because it is a rigid, non-porous piece of material. I've also been told that it's very effective preventing the intrusion of small insects, things of that nature. Let's take some dimensional properties of this material. Now, the width of the backer, 0.185. So they're saying that this material is 1/4 by 3/16. So that's where the 3/16 comes in, just the width of the backer. Now the 1/4 inch, that is certainly going to be a reference to the projection, but I'm thinking it's going to be a little heavy on 1/4 inch. Yeah, it's 0.318, 0.318, just from the shoulder of the backer, not from the backside, to its projection as it stands now is basically 5/16. But I can see why they're going to call that 1/4 inch because I'm not able to accurately measure that, and being a 1/16 of an inch off would certainly be not unreasonable based on how I'm measuring it. But those are the two dimensions that are going to be crucial. If you need replacement pile, and before you call us, that's going to be the very first question. Okay, what size are you replacing? What's the width of the backer? What's the projection? The width of the backer is pretty crucial because if it's too small, it's not going to stay inside of your slot very well and the channel very well. If it is too large, you're not going to be able to fit it inside and then draw it all the way tight. So be mindful that you're going to need to be as close as possible. I've never run into a need for pile in terms of the dimensional properties that did not exist. So there are, whether or not it will technically be an order of Besam or not, there are a lot of automatic door companies out there that have this type of weather stripping. There are a lot of swinging doors, sliding doors that have this type of weather stripping as well. And I would be quite sure that we'll be able to find you a very close replacement. And really the only time that we're unable to come up with the right pile size is because the client has created a situation where a gap between two doors is atypical, unusual. They back themselves into that corner. You know, if you need something that's 3/16 wide, but then, 3/4 inch projection, no, I'm not aware of a combination of those two possibilities. You'll get, a wide projection on your pile, but then the backer gets much wider as well. And manipulating that material before trying to make it fit into your extrusion is generally not an option. Finally, there's a link below this video. Forgive me, sold per foot. They needed 28 feet. I'm thinking they've got, they've got probably 2 panels, or maybe they've got 4. I'm not really sure which, but 4 7-foot pieces is probably where that comes into play. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Besam products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the Besam 50-20-6402 thin pile felt, and this is in black finish, or black color, or any other Besam product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.